Hi, Vivian. I just want to take a look at your submission here, and it looks like you haven't completed the assignment. So we have the 11 sustainable questions, but if you go to the assignment specifications, specifically the steps to success, you have to take the 11 sustainable tools, the 11 sustainable design questions, and you have to apply these to both your collateral piece and your giveaway. So that is a total of 22 answers. If you do the math, it's 11 questions for your collateral piece, 11 questions for your giveaway. So you have to address the collateral piece and the giveaway in each one of these questions. For example, here you're just saying yes because it's important people know with the water, and take in mind this is just not explaining anything. So you really need to say, okay, do I need it? My collateral piece, let's say it's a flyer. Do I really need it? Yes, because, and then tell us why you need the flyer. Okay, then the collateral piece, do I really need it? Tell us, do I need it? Yes or no? Okay, and then go through every piece and answer these 11 questions for each of your for your giveaway and for your collateral piece. Okay, then what you have to do is go back in here and follow the rest of these, so you're really following directions for the assignment. For example, you have look for options. This one is asking you to look for options in terms of production and sustainable materials for each component. And then over here it says you have to give us at least 3 to 5 physical material options for creating each piece. Make sure you cite your sources. Okay, so that's for each piece in your final project. So you would have to give us 3 to 5 physical materials that you're using to make your booth, and then 3 to 5 physical materials you're using to make your collateral piece and your giveaway. And then in those 3 to 5 physical materials, you want to prove that they're sustainable, but you don't prove they're sustainable by saying, yes, all material will be recyclable. You prove they're sustainable by showing us how they're recyclable. Tell us what materials you've used, tell us where you got them, and give us a resource. So in other words, you say, I'm using post-consumer reclaimed recycled materials. If so, then how much? Instead of saying about 35%, say I am using 35% post-consumer recycled reclaimed materials from so-and-so paper source. This is the most sustainable choice because, and then give your reference. Okay, so in other words, you're really answering the question. You're not just saying, is reuse practiced and encouraged? Yes. This isn't a presentation format, so I'd like you to think about using your work in presentation format. I'm sorry, submitting your work in presentation format. For example, you're assuming that everybody here knows what you're talking about when you open this presentation. Okay, now you're studying to be a designer, so this should all be like, this should be in presentation format. I mean, you should have a little mission statement here, a little mini thesis telling your viewer exactly what they're looking for. And I think that you should get used to doing that, because that's the way it is in a studio. You would have really to be much more complete than what we are here. So I'm going to suggest that you resubmit this assignment. Maybe take a look through some of the other assignments in this post and see what other students are doing, and see what kind of materials they're using and what kind of lists, and read through the comments I've given them to see what is working and what isn't. But generally, I want you just to stick closer to this these steps to success. Specifically, your materials and your citations, and finding sustainable materials. Okay, proving they're sustainable, and then showing the citation for your resource. Okay, thanks.